I'm Chris Collier, and I'm here to show you all the reasons why you should come to San Antonio this year for the International Window Film Conference in Tint-Off. The International Window Film Conference in Tint-Off is the place to be, and all the action is going down here, right behind me at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. We've got seminars, educational programs, a new career day for prospective employers, demos, and more. The event offers a variety of ways for industry colleagues to connect with one another. We've got networking events on the show floor, cocktail hours, and special events like the hot sauce contest and the evening pub crawl. The event's keynote speaker is Mike Rowe, known for his role on Dirty Jobs and raising awareness about the trades. And you can't miss WFCT's competitions, where installers will battle for the title of World's Best. San Antonio is hot, but the prize pool is even hotter this year. Nearly $100,000 combined for all competitions is up for grabs. This is your chance to connect with industry professionals you've only met online. Return to your shop re-energized with new ideas for growth and a whole list of new contacts that can help you make it happen. Best of all, our host hotels are right on the San Antonio Riverwalk, home to dozens of restaurants and bars with Southwest flair. And that's not all. San Antonio is a beautiful city with lots to see and do. From the Alamo to the Tower of the Americas, there's plenty of activities to keep you busy once you're off the show floor. There's lots to look forward to at this year's event. Put your boots on and join us in San Antonio from September 14th through the 16th. I can't wait to see you there.